shitties, how you doing? So today we'll be going on a hotel tour. This hotel is Heartbreak Hotel, situated in Enugu, New Haven. If you know Kodia Post Stop, this is the perfect place for you to be. Nice room. The concept of the hotel is so beautiful. If you are in Enugu and you are looking for where to lodge in, Heartbreak Hotel is the best place to be. So follow me, let's go on a tour. Welcome to my hotel room. Yeah, this is the bed. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There's the mains. La la la. Then this is a wardrobe. It has upper parts. Yeah. Then enough cabinets to put your shoes, your bags. This just there. There's the TV area, the door. The table for things you want to do. Then this fridge, perfect. The waste bin. This water in case you want to do coffee. And this is a Nescafe 3-in-1. Then a mug. Then look at the fridge. It is stocked. Whatever you want, you eat. Then perfect bathroom, executive bathroom with a nice towel on the floor. Yeah, that's me. That's me. This is a towel I gave. I like this towel stand, it's so perfect. Then this is the towel lid. Flush and tissue. They gave us tissue. But this is my soap actually. I'm the one that kept it there. Perfect. This is the bathroom. The shower. Oh Jesus. This is a shower. Oh God. Then hot water. Jesus. I don't know how I want to get and pour myself water. Oh Jesus Christ. This is the soap dispenser, but it's not working anymore. It's not working. So that is it.